Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you where you can find the green suit dove in Heartopia game during the festival update. Okay, I've just captured the green suit dove, and I'm going to show you where you can find this dove. Basically, if you want to find this bird, guys, you need to go to the forest, or if you want to have more chance in capturing this bird, you can participate in the actual dove event. Okay, and without joining the actual dove event, you can still capture this bird, and you just need to go to the jump puzzle in the forest. So you can go to this bus stop first, and you can immediately go to the jump puzzle area. And here you will be able to meet the green actor dove. Let me show you my bird watching diary. Okay, this one, green suit dove. Okay, for the source, it's from the forest, specifically at the jump puzzle. Okay guys, and that's where you can find the green suit dove in Heartopia game during the festival update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!